Hello everyone, so this is the start of a vlog that is gonna take over however time period of many days. So the story is, basically I used to live at home with my parents. Throughout lockdown I have been staying with my boyfriend and his family at his house, but now my parents have gone back to work. You know, sometimes in the day I'll come back here to sort stuff out, take the dog on a walk, things like that. And at the moment we are doing up, my boyfriend's family are doing up another house to move into. So when they move into that house, me and my boyfriend are moving in with them, and our bedroom is separate from the house. It is a sort of like a summer house at the bottom of the garden. So we basically live alone, but we share their kitchen, their bathroom, things like that. But anyway, so they've been doing that house up now for a while. They could basically tore everything out and start again, and it is now nearly done. And my boyfriend informed me yesterday that his dad wants to crack on, and then basically crack on so we can all move in basically. So we don't know, like obviously we don't have a date or anything because it doesn't really matter, but my boyfriend just said yesterday, you know, we could potentially be moving in next month, which means I have a lot of decluttering to do. So I'm going to start that today, and I'm also going to clean up, and I'd love to film a room tour before I move out because I love my room, but it's just so messy at the moment. Like, we're having work done in our hallway and our stairs, and so that means all the coats that you can see behind me, they're all my parents' coats from the hook that was downstairs. I've even got some pictures just next to my door that have come off the wall. Because I haven't been here, my parents have just sort of dumped it in my room, which is fine, but it means I don't know what mess is like underneath those coats right now. I'm not sure what's under there, so I'm gonna have to lift everything up onto my bed and sort it out. And I've just got stuff like, you know, I just need to, you know, place stuff out and have a clear out. Like, I just own so much shit, really. But yeah, I'm gonna watch some YouTube while I do that. I need to go through all my Alex drawers that I've got over there. That fish tank, I don't even think that fish tank has any fish in it anymore because some died and I thought there was one in it, but my parents said they haven't seen it. So when my dad gets in from work, I might see if I can persuade him to help me get rid of it, because obviously we can't just chuck it away in case there is the fish in there and we just can't see it. I've got clothes that I've put on Depop for sale that I did clear out the other day, but they're only really tops and a couple of dresses. I need to still go through my like handbags. It's not like moving it out into a flat or an apartment, guys. We are 2 people with 2 bedrooms moving into 1 bedroom with the same amount of stuff, so it's mad. I mean, I know we're keeping my chest of drawers there and my Alex drawers, but apart from that I think nearly everything's going. Yeah, I thought I'd just sort of start filming the process because I want to film moving in and decorating it and stuff like that, documenting it all, sort of explaining what's happening and stuff like that. Right, I don't even know where to start. I think I'll start by emptying my bin. I'm not going to show you that because it is disgusting. I think if I just general overall pick up and tidy first, then I put all those coats on my bed, I suppose. Oh, an excuse here, by the way. I've never done space bombs before, but I just came back from a dog walk and I was really hot and I wanted to have a shower, but I didn't need to wash my hair, so I just shoved them up out of the way. But I'm not really sure if I dig them or not. My boyfriend will probably be like, what is that on your head? So I don't know how long they're staying for, but let's just, you know, let's just crack on. So this is so depressing. So look what I've just realised. So I've got my bin like here, and look at this plant. Because I haven't been here, it's starting to die because I haven't been able to water it. I mean, I don't want to chuck it away. I'm gonna hope it salvages itself, and because some of it doesn't look too dead, it's very dry. I'll give it a water while I'm doing all of this and hope. This is just like an insight to what I mean by I have loads of stuff. So this stuff is all fine because this is my beauty work stuff. But on this side, I literally have a Mario Kart Monopoly down there. I've got like my old boxes like for my Numi hair wand. It just falls out. I've got my penny board in there. I've got my Christmas cushions. I just need to find other ways of sorting stuff and being a bit more savage with boxes and things. So I've literally like, this is a bag of literally tie-dyeing stuff. So I poured Oh shit, I just got that everywhere. I poured the powder out that I didn't want to, that I had left, because I didn't want to make it really vibrant, so I saved it. So in here is, yeah, my Turbo stuff, and it's like, what do I do with that? I feel like I can't get rid of it yet, just in case I want to attempt something else. Not that I have anything to really do it at the moment with. Right, I think I've got to tackle the coats now. I'm sorry. What a joke is this? I have to have all my coats in my room. Yeah. Look, I picked up piles of coats. Do they really need them all? Also, I found stuff like some pyjama shorts and my beach towel, one of my beauty towels in amongst them all. Okay, so I have just finished hoovering. I've put everything in its place. I do need to dust, but I think I might save that and do that just the same day I film my room tour, because then it'll be nice and fresh. And I need to have lunch, and I also need to edit tomorrow's video, because I haven't started editing that yet, about how I curl my hair with my curlers. So yeah, that is it for today, I think. So I'll just pick this up when I continue. I mean, the room tour will be a whole separate video to this one, but when I go through my bags or whatever, when I decide to go through my bags and stuff, I shall pick you up. And yeah, I am a bit of a hoarder, so I find it hard to get rid of things, but I can't help myself. Hello guys, so today I'm re-picking up the vlog I started the other day, which is decluttering my room. I'm gonna go have a shower first, I think, because I just need to wash my hair. It just feels like I need to. And then I think I'm gonna dust everything, so then tomorrow I can film my room tour. So then that's done. And then I'm gonna, you know, do like the coat rack on the back of the door, and I've got another one up on the wall. And I'll just see how I go. Maybe I'll do my handbags and stuff as well. I'm not gonna rush it, but yeah, I think that is the plan. So yeah, this vlog's probably going to be a lot of time lapses of me just doing stuff, but there's not really much to talk about when you're going through stuff. I'd just be saying to you, oh, do I want it? Do I not want it? So yeah, there's probably going to be a lot of time lapses, but yeah, I just need a declutter in my life. So I'm now out the shower, so I think I'm just going to crack on. I've just gone through the back of the door thinking I had loads of stuff on there, and the majority of them is my boyfriend's coats that he's left here. So I'm going to make him go through them and take home to his what he needs, and he can go through it, because there's just so much stuff on the back of my door. I'm surprised it wasn't broken. Bags. I don't even know where to start. I suppose I'll just go through and keep what I use. Use that. I haven't used that in a long time. Am I the only one that always finds loads of rubbish in my bags? Oh my god. A whole lot of lipstick. I'll keep this, it's a very handy bag. I'll get rid of this. Oh, this, I love this bag. An outfit in my head for that bag. This bag I love. I bought this for a wedding because I wore a navy dress. I don't think I'll use it again. It's like a, you see that? I don't know, I can't see me using it that often. Well, that's not too bad, at least I'm getting rid of quite a bit. Now how should I put it all in there so it I can get to them easily? That's when I make my mistakes, is when I put all my bags up there and I put it so that you have to like, yeah, I put it so that like if I want one at the back I bring everything forward, and then when I put the bag back I just shove it in, like I don't put it in properly. I'll figure it out. Hello, so today I'm going under my lift up bed and I've got some boxes down here from B&M, and basically I'm putting stuff in there that is going to go in the loft here at my parents' house so that I'm not taking with me to the other house. So yeah, this will just be a little time lapse and you can see all the crap I have underneath. So this is harder than I thought. Started in this little box here putting like my Christmas baubles and Christmas candles, and then I want to put my Christmas jumpers in there, but obviously I want to get them washed before they go in. Like I got some of my old, you know, like your first cuddly toys down there, and like some other ones that I want to get washed before I put in a box as well. But yeah, so I'm sat here and I'm toying with what I can put in now. But I mean I can leave stuff in here because we're still not, I think we're moving in I think about August time, so obviously it's end of July now, so I've still got a bit of time, but it's just nice to be a bit prepared, you know, and ready, especially stuff that you're not taking. There's no point in just leaving it out till last minute. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try and do. So I think that's all I'm going to do under the bed today, because I'm hot and I'm very limited. So yeah, that is all I'm doing for today. Hello, you'll have to excuse me if I'm literally sweating because it is so hot today. But I think I'm going to leave the like clean / declutter with me here, because I've got some clothes and stuff that I could do, but I mean I've already done like most of my clothes, so I don't really feel like there's much point in going through them again, and I feel like this vlog might be longish already. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed. And as I said at the beginning of the video, I want to film more of this process, so I shall try. But yeah, have a lovely day and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.